Following video is for Duke 1B, exercises 4, 5, and 6. All three lessons are related to debugging and checking for errors. So starting with exercise 4, debug store text, let's have a look at what is available to us. It looks like they're trying to develop and create a certain type of variable. So you need to think to yourself, what are some variable types that you have practiced before? And how does that apply to this example? So some attempt to a variable, and then system.out.println, so they're trying to display text. Not just text, but they're trying to display a variable. So think about what types of variables have you created, and how does that match with this. Try a little bit and then click run to check for errors. And then hopefully you have less and less errors as you keep making corrections. Again, for exercise 5, we then have to make another prediction. In this case, there is 2 attempts for variables. So you can see that one is here and then others here, but there's a lot going on. It really throws me off by looking at this in just a short little line of text. So this is definitely an output, an attempt for output, but then they're trying to create variables here. So when all the bugs have been fixed in task B, the output should just be 365, 366. That is the desired output. Exercise number 6. The desired output is a unicycle has 1 wheel. Okay. Well, of course, you could just do system.out.println and use the speech marks and parentheses to just display that text. But we are trying to learn how to use variables. So we need to debug, fix whatever the issue might be. Maybe it's with the variables, or maybe it's in the lines of code. Please keep checking the errors and look for the line number that it provides to you. So for example, let me jump back to the first one. When I click run, it will tell me the line number. That's it right there. So then on my line 19, there's some problem there. And then right here, there's an arrow that usually points to the specific error that is causing a problem. Or maybe it's the beginning phase of where the problem actually lies upon. So keep brainstorming, keep looking for errors, try one thing, click run. Do not try several things and then click run, because then you might not know what happened. And if you get completely stuck, you can always click on history at the very bottom down here, and then you can change it to the very beginning and start over.